Hi, this is Nellie Deutsch. Copyright issues are a huge problem when it comes to online learning, of course, instruction, when you're sharing copyrighted materials such as articles and so on. What's great about Moodle is that there's a secure PDF file that you can share with your students, but they can't download it, which makes it safe. I'm going to show you how it's done because it's not that simple. So first thing you do is you go into the list of plugins, you add your version. My version currently is the latest Moodle 3.11.1, and then you can search for PDF. You'll get secure. Next, you're going to go to your website. All right, so let's click on it, secure PDF files. And then you've got two options, of course, but you'll face the same problems that I'll show you in a minute, or install. All right, we're going to go with install. I've already done it, so it's available, but let me go through it again. Going to choose this particular site called IT for All, Integrating Technology for Active Lifelong Learning. Notice it says it's already installed, but it's not. It's on its way. It is stuck, and we're going to fix it. Notice the check does not call because we need a PHP extension called IMagick. It must be installed and enabled. So let's go to our cPanel, whatever you're using. This is mine, and notice I went into the PHP selector, which is part of my cPanel, but you can go into your PHP, whatever it is, and then I'm going to scroll down until I get to IMagick. These are other things that you had to add. Notice this is where you add sodium and so on. So here it is, IMagick, going to tick it off. There we go. And that should be done. That's it, success. I love this green, success, makes me feel good. All right, so now let's go back and continue the process. Okay, so let's continue and see what happens. We're going to reload because we must solve the problem before we can go on. And notice everything is now okay. Right, we don't get any error messages. Everything is in working condition. Let's continue until we get to continue, of course, and then you'll get a chance to see what this plugin is like, the PDF that is secure and safe. I'm upgrading to different things here, but let's continue with this upgrade. Go on to the next stage. You can also cancel at this point, but I didn't. All right, so I've also got a format called Trail. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but let me know if you have any questions about either of these, the mod secure PDF or the format. All right, so default resolution of image, since we're talking PDF, it could be an image too. We're going to go with the default. The higher the resolution, the slower the load. So keep that in mind. Okay, so now we're going to go into a practice area and see what it's like. So this is where I try different things. Going to turn editing on using Advisor MUI. Depending on your theme, things will appear elsewhere. I'm going to turn editing on, and then I will be able to add an activity or resource. If you'd like to learn more about Moodle, let me know. I've got a few courses for beginners, admin, managers, teachers, and students. Okay, so right now we're looking at the PDF. So we're going to go under All so we can locate it. If you see anything here that you like, let me know. Secure PDF. We're going to click on it, and then we'll be able to add it. I'm going to add, okay, next I'm going to add my file. So there it is. It's called Autonomy Supportive Teaching. Going to continue here. Now here you can decide if you want to have it hidden or available. Of course, why would you hide it? But you might want to hide it for a while. Next, activity completion. Notice what's available here. The conditions are generally only view for these things, so I prefer to leave everything out. So here's the article. Notice the article is broken down, which is really nice, into pages. So if I go to the next one, okay, that's what it's going to look like. I can also use the next, but then I get back to the next activity. So let me go into our test. So the way you move it is through the pages. Let's go into practice and into our autonomy supportive teaching. Now let's say I can turn editing off now. I want to see what the student's view of this is. Notice if I go into it, there it is. I'm not able to download it in any way. Wonderful. And if I go in as a student, I'm in as a student right now. Notice where I'll be going. Autonomy Supportive Teaching, that's the PDF. Click on it, and all I can do is view it. That's it. In the same way that anyone else, including a teacher. That's how it's done. The only thing a teacher can do, of course, is delete the whole activity. But that's what it's like. You just go through each of the pages. You can read it, but you cannot share it or download it. No privacy issues. I think this is absolutely fantastic. This is a great article on mindfulness, autonomy, supportive teaching, and needs satisfaction. 2019, you can get it at your school or pay. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below, and subscribe as well as join so you can get 50% off the courses on IT for All.